Is it possible to make a house that fits in the palm of your hand? LaLiLu Craft can do anything, even build a tiny home. Let's see how we do it. Make outlines of the walls on thick cardboard. Cut out a window. The pieces for the floor are ready. On the inside, we have wooden floors. And on the outside, we have stones with green grass on the sides. Measure the future walls. Each wall has its own color. A wooden board turns into small pieces. Separate them into equal parts. Make wooden partitions. Now it's time for acrylic paint. Highlight the dividers. And we installed them. Make clear inserts out of a plastic container. Now the terrace has glass walls. Make the seat and the back. This tiny bench will go outside. And for now, let's prime it and cover it with white acrylic paint. Now there is a place to sit outside. Attach it to a wooden ledge with balls on the sides. The window has a light curtain now. Make a couch out of thick cardboard. Join the bottom part with the back. Paint the couch a minty color. Make pillowcases out of pink fabric. A comfy couch is a great choice for a small house. Draw a semicircle on green fabric. Scissors helped us make a perfect carpet. Put it on the first floor, right in front of the couch. Draw a square on thick cardboard. A coffee stirrer turned into 2 legs. Measure a big tabletop. Glue the details. Now there is a table in front of the couch. You can put drinks and fresh newspapers there. Let's work on the stand. Take parts of coffee stirrers. We made a couple of pieces. Glue the walls. There are shelves inside. Leave it white on the inside. Put it in the corner. Make book covers. Add pages. Now we have a whole library. The bookshelf is filled with interesting books, and there is a cool magazine on the table. Cut cubes out of a Styrofoam piece. Shape it as a cylinder. Cover it with designer paper like this. Add a decorative top. Now we have some plants. The owner of our house loves greenery, so we have lots of plants inside and outside. Break some skewers and polish the edges. Make a tripod. Take some special paper. There are flowers on the canvas. Twist strips of polka dot paper. Add a handle. We made a small cup. Who wants some hot cocoa? Cut squares and circles out of foam paper. Make decorations out of printed paper. Glue the sweets to the frames. They perfectly match the interior. The first floor of the house is ready. Now the owners can relax on the couch with a cup of tea, looking at the sweet picture. Start working on the second floor. We'll need tiles for the balcony. Your feet will stay nice and warm this way. Cut out the top part of the walls. It's pastel green. Make an opening for the window. Outline thick cardboard on paper with colorful spots. It looks so cute. Remove the textured surface from the cup. Cut it into small pieces. These will be roof tiles. Make the roof. We'll need a coffee stirrer for the stairs. The stairs are made out of thick cardboard. Cut it into small pieces. Glue on. Paint the stairs a pastel lilac shade. Attach them to the banister. The railing will be white. Now we can go on the balcony and see a beautiful view. Cut the fabric for a curtain. Put on a wooden ledge and cover the skewer under a pink strip. The window looks so different. Make a table with rounded sides. Install it on toothpick legs. The brush painted the tabletop pink. Make a frame for a laptop out of foam paper. It looks just like the real thing. It has a colorful display and a keyboard with tiny keys. Leave the device on the table. Make a computer chair. Add a layer out of mint foam paper to the seat with a back. Cover it and add lilac inserts to the sides. Add a rounded leg. A comfy chair goes great right in front of the computer. Make a bed frame out of thick cardboard. Take a mattress of the right size. The sponge can stay the same shape. Choose the fabric. Add a soft mattress and cover it with a case. Make a stand for a lamp out of toothpick tips. Cover a piece of hot glue rod with a strip of a lampshade. The lamp fills the room with warm light. This time we decided to make a lounge chair. Bend the frame like this. It's almost ready. We just need to make a soft layer. Time to rest. You can even tan on the balcony. Write "Welcome" on a piece of paper. The owners are always happy to have guests. The only problem is the size. The house is so tiny, it can fit in the palm of your hand. But the tiny owners will appreciate it. They are gonna love this cozy, cute little house. LaLiLu Craft created such a cute house that anyone would want to stay there for a long time. Make more doll rooms with LaLiLu Craft.